Off here, we're on the Chimney at 39 Sandown Road. Now, first thing is, there's only one pepper pot here. This one here is laying open, so obviously, you know, any deluges just get into there. It has to dissipate somewhere. This actual picture frame around it is okay, but what they've poured inside is very porous looking. It's a bad colour, and obviously because of that, you've got all your moss and stuff growing, which it shouldn't be able to, you know, so it's not growing on the outside. Other than that, they've got this dormer here, which, okay, it's all peeling off and stuff, you know, but that should really be taken off in a couple of coats, at least 2 coats of bitumen-based silver reflecting paint, which would make that last another load of years. You know, there's bits of it there where actually a wee bit of movement in it, but it doesn't seem too bad. Other than that, you've just got a few sort of slate repairs to the main roof there, which needs sorted. You know, the pointing in the chimney's actually not too bad, you know. And you know, it's really just I mean, really what you should be doing is the top here should have a coat of tank, cleaned down, primed, coating the tank in slurry, and maybe even some what do you call it, epoxy resin mortar or something like that there if you want to go the extra mile, you know. And the vented cap. Yeah, that's about it.